Hello, my name is Marco Quintero, and this is my presentation for Lesson 6. Today I will be demonstrating the completed CRUD operations, data validation and error handling for my UFO Sightings API. Okay, so if we go to the green post, sightings, and if we open up, now we're going to try it out, and we're going to delete this line entirely, which is the location. We delete it, and then we're going to hit execute. So now I'm going to show you the following. So first, I'm demonstrating the Joy data validation middleware. If a user attempts to log a sighting but fails to provide a required field, like leaving the location blank, my API instantly rejects the request. As you can see, it safely returns a 400 bad request status with a clear validation error. Okay, so let's go to the following. Alright, so let's go to, actually let's do one more thing here. Let's type the location back, so let's give it a new location. Let's give it Roswell, New Mexico. So we do this, and then we type Roswell, New Mexico. Alright. Let's hit execute. And once we have hit the execute button, okay, so if the correct data and resubmit, the validation passes and the server returns a 201, which is right here. So it passes a 201 created status. Now I'll copy this newly generated ID so we can use it in the rest of the demonstration. Okay, now let's close this. And okay, let's open the get sightings ID. We're gonna hit here and let's enter this random number. So this is my error handling. I have wrapped my database controllers in try-catch blocks and implemented object ID validation. If a client sends an invalid Mongo database ID format, such as this one, then the server will safely intercept it, and if we hit execute, it will return a 400 error message instead of crashing the application. And here it is. Here's the 400 error message. Okay, so now let's go to the orange put. Let's go to the orange, open up. Okay, and here we're going to paste our brand new ID. We're gonna paste it right here. All right, let's change the shape of the UFO to cigar, a cigar shape. Okay, and let's hit execute. Once it executes, we should scroll down and it should show that 204. So this is demonstrating the new put route and providing the valid newly created sighting ID and the update, the craft shape. So since we updated it to cigar, when I executed it, the database successfully replaced the document and returns a 204 no content status, confirming the modification. So now let's go to the red delete. Okay, so let's try it out, and then let's paste the same ID, and upon pasting the same ID, let's hit on the execute. So finally, the delete route, using that identical sighting ID, I execute the delete request and the server returns a 200 success status, confirming that the record has been permanently erased from the Mongo database Atlas Vault. And here it is. All right. So let's fold this up. And my engine is fully operational, validated, and actively deployed on render. Thank you for watching.